Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Emirates NBD mobile banking account. For that, first of all, launch Emirates NBD mobile banking application on your device. Once the application is opened, you will see this interface. Here you will have two options, that is log in and open your new bank account. For now, we are tapping on login button. Then your login page will be opened. From here you have to fill out this form to log into your account. First of all, enter your username. The next step is simply enter your password. If you do not remember your username or password, then you can simply tap on Forgot Credentials option available there. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, simply tap on Login button to log into your account. In this way, you can easily log into your Emirates NBD mobile banking account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.